So I said I would give you guys a tour of the lab. So here we go. There's no doubt that the room is full of mess, all right? Just some random stuff on the floor. This shelf was supposed to be the shelf where I store all my most prized possession. Not anymore. Just a bunch of junk and random lights. Now, that shelf right there I got to store orders. Not anymore. Now there's just a bunch of junk in it. This is the desk I sit to build most of the lights. Okay? There's a ventilation system that I built. It goes up to the next level and out of the house. Yes, I know. It's very messy, but it works. And I'm used to it. I know where everything is. Believe it or not, I know where everything is. A lot more junk under the table. There's a trash can right here under this desk, and it fills up very, very fast. Okay? That's my computer desk, where I sit and answer all the emails. The machine in the middle of the screen is where I print your labels. More shelves. See all those medicine cans? That's where I store most of driver VNs. Okay, so that's the computer desk. So usually I would sit right here, answer your emails, and then turn around here on this side and build your lights at the same time. So kind of a multitask, okay? Over here, computer, emails, and then back over here for light building. And when it gets really busy and I really need to get away from the computer, I come over to here so I can go full throttle. All right, so you don't even want to know what's in those cabinets. Just a ton more junk. I know everything's incredibly messy, but believe it or not, I know where everything goes. Ton more junk here. This is the shelf of dead light. So all the bad stuff go on this shelf, and then I'll go over it afterwards. And believe it or not, I recently cleaned up my lab here, so it's not as bad as it looks, actually. Okay, you can see here, here's something funny. You can see a couple of MTG2s mounted to a heatsink. Very rudimentary, but it works pretty well. And there's another couple MTG2s here also. And you can see here it's pretty dirty. It works quite well. That's all I need. Alright, one more sweep through of the lab. Just to show you guys how horrific everything is. Alright, so recently I started, I evacuated the room next door so I can move things I would normally do outside, inside. So this room is I just started putting more stuff in this room, so it's definitely not organized, but this is a very expensive vise that I put in to remove the lights. I call this my disassembly station. Bunch of grip vise, special made pliers, a ton of homemade stuff here. Tons of junk. That's where I polish your light, down there. Here's where I engrave your name. Here's my brand new higher end Dremel tool where I engrave the name on the lights, the V54. Here's the shelf for inventory. There's a lot more stuff I haven't gotten on the shelf yet, and I need to get that going. Right now, everything is sitting in the living room, so I need to refill up these shelves. Right over here is the light meter, the integrating sphere. That's where I measure the output. Some more junk here. Oh, this shelf right here is the ready to ship shelf. So everything on this shelf is done and ready to go. There's not a lot of stuff on it, obviously. Okay, so there's a lot more room, a lot more work I need to do in this room. Okay. Upstairs, there's more inventory room and more shipping supplies, but that's about it. Okay, that's the gist of it. All right, that's all. I know it's a mess, but it works. Thank you, guys.